in the food intact. This allows the smokeless teppanyaki griddle to match its name. Teppanyaki griddle equipment is sold in more than 30 countries and is deeply trusted by our customers as the leading brand in the global market. R&D. The success of Fancy to reach international levels is due to the unceasing input of high-tech research and development. Our efforts to be innovation-oriented and hard-working in R&D has attained for us many patents in Taiwan and in the United States, as well as receiving international quality assurance certifications such as CE, NSF, and ISO. Other than focusing on developing equipment, Fancy has stringent requirements for its manufacturing process, starting from the production of steel sheets, with high-temperature scales from welding, passivation, chellant and electropolishing to remove impurities, and the added beneficial effect of smoothing and brightening the surfaces. Then laser beam cutting, perforated machining, cable distribution control, anti-rusting and coating procedure, tempered glass processing, cutting, smoothing, water jet cutting, reinforced coating, assembling, performance testing, final checking and packaging are all the steps to make the world's finest teppanyaki griddle. Our customers. Fancy's products are widely applied in various cuisine industries. They are the best tools for chefs to display their technique, especially for hundreds of teppanyaki stores. In Taiwan, there is the Da Fang regime Kate Teppanyaki, the Doubling Teppanyaki Restaurant, the Sunlit Teppanyaki Restaurant, the Wan Group Teppanyaki Restaurant, the Benihana Teppanyaki Restaurant, the Grand Hai Lai Hotel, the Splendor Kaohsiung, the Dai Landis Hotel, the Lai Lai Sheraton Hotel, the Hotel Villa de Art, the Royal Lee's Hotel, and the Ambassador Hotel. In the United States and in European countries, there is the Mitsui Teppanyaki Restaurant in Belgium, the Zurich Restaurant in Switzerland, the Chinese Restaurant in Holland, the Phoenix Restaurant in Spain, the YIU GmbH Teppanyaki in Germany, the Harbor View Restaurant in England, the Kobe Teppanyaki Steakhouse, and the Royal Tokyo Teppanyaki and Steakhouse in Wisconsin, the Hibachi and Buffet Restaurant in Nebraska, the Four Seasons Buffet in Iowa, the Samuri Chef Restaurant in Missouri, the House of Taste in Chicago, the Beijing Garden in Florida, etc. Also, the Sakai Sushi in Singapore and hundreds of restaurants in China. With quality guaranteed cooking equipment, every chef that uses Fancy's products all highly recommend them to other chefs. Although having had a competitive advantage in market share, customer demands will always be our top priority, and customer satisfaction will always be our greatest accomplishment. Create the peak again. Having gone through competitive anneals for 30 years, Fancy has accumulated much experience and skill to compete in this market. We will always adhere to the principles of honesty, professionalism, and innovation and achieve high quality in the market. In the future, we will spare no effort in developing an excellent team with an aim not only to meet customer demands, but to try to perform our obligations to society.
也不断在创新研究。
这家公司受了很好的好评，然后
要相当的完美。
所以铁板烧不管是煎或是焖或是烤，你做起来的菜呢，绝对比一般料理还好。
比较
高尖端科技的。
客户也是比较安心啦，
所以这个贡献也是蛮大的。
讲的是卫生、美味，最重要是要有速度。
不是说指名道姓都方程的东西好用，这也是一个事实。因为我从
We use our experience and expertise to serve customers, and we are confident that the products Fancy uses are sure to become a leader in the commercial cooking equipment industry to produce healthy and delicate food. Choosing Fancy is your best safeguard.